Welcome back to Life, episode number 7, Lessons in Financial Empowerment. I am DJ Sessions. Today's topic, I want to call it's called the A Team, right? And I don't know, I'm a Generation X baby, so I remember growing up, the A Team and Mr. T, dun, dun, dun. And, they're a great team. And so people who know that show can relate, but what I'm referring to when I say the A team and really creating your own A team is an advisory team. The advisory team is made up of a couple of different people. So I want to kind of start with, a lot of people, when you think of an advisory team, these are people that like, and trust, but let's start with an attorney, right? An attorney would be someone that, someone that you may want to get to know, or if you don't have one, you may not need one, but I know some people have Legal Shield, right? And so they have access to attorneys, but having some form of legal representation is important. Number 2, an accountant, CPA, someone who, and especially if you're a business owner, it's crucial to have someone who can run the numbers, crunch the numbers for you. And you may be someone who's really good at this, but I think that having a professional handle it, whether it's a firm or someone individual, is much more valuable than you trying to do it yourself. Financial advisor, someone who can, understand your goals, what it is you're trying to accomplish, and then putting you on a path to get there. Financial advisors are great. Confidence, they know about your finances. They also know, different tricks and trades to help you get there with all the different navigations of the market, right? They're Series 7 license, Series 6, but a financial advisor is definitely someone you've got to have on your A team. I would say a mortgage broker, such as myself, right? Someone who can help navigate the lending opportunities out there for you, right? If you're looking to purchase, whether it's your primary residence, but then also investment properties, multiple second homes. There's lots of different, programs and options out there where, again, having someone on your team who specializes in that type of activity is crucial. It's crucial to have that. And so that's someone else you'd want to have on your advisory team. Let's talk real estate, having, whether it's an agent or real estate professional, someone who that, again, you not only know, like, and trust, but someone that you can reach out to and help you navigate. So if you're looking to maybe purchase but then you don't know who to talk to, who to call, whether you're in a new city. I know that, you may know a family member who does it, but if this person may do it on the side and they aren't a true professional in a sense of that they know their craft, they do it full time, having a real estate professional is another part of growing your A team, having someone in that bucket for you. And I think finally, I would say, advisor would be almost like a spiritual advisor. Whether you attend a traditional church or, or any type of church, having someone who you can talk to from a spiritual perspective. I believe that's also important from an A team perspective, having that person on your team. And finally, I would say in that kind of same vein, whether it's a therapist, someone, who, again, someone who's important to you that you can trust, but also, help navigate you with mental health and the daily stresses of the life, and again, so when you think about your advisory team, right, you've got your spiritual help, mental health, you've got your legal help, you've got your accounting, someone who's going to help you with your taxes and all the numbers, you got your lending help, you got your real estate professional, you got your financial advisor. When you go through this life, why not build a team of people to help you accomplish your goals? There's no reason to do it all yourself. But again, so this has been another lesson in financial empowerment. Looking forward to the next episode. Thank you.